Welcome back, everybody. This is Resourceful Marcus. I just wanted to talk a little bit about some of my garden plants this year. They're acting really strange this year, how they're growing and stuff. So this is a trumpet moonflower. This one here is a trumpet moonflower. Anyways, that should have been flowered already, and it still hasn't flowered yet. There's a bud on there, but it still hasn't flowered. This should have been flowered quite a while ago now. This stuff is acting really strange this year. It's kind of weird. Yeah, it's there's some other plants I want to show you as well. Just give me a moment. Alright, so I'm out in the front now. I have some giant perennial hibiscus here. These giant hibiscus. Look at this thing. This thing has not grown well at all this year. Barely up. There's no bud. This would have been tremendously flowered by this time last year with several buds, all kinds of flowers. I got one here. This one hasn't even woke up yet. And there's another one here. I have three of them, three different perennial giant hibiscus. This one here is so small, tiny this year. These were huge last year. Now take a look at this. Here's my crabapple tree. This thing here already, this crabapple tree, most of the leaves are just toast. Almost like it's fall already. Those leaves 6 weeks ago were beautiful. This tree looked great. Now it looks just, yeah. It's been very dry around here this summer so far. That's probably one of the reasons too. We didn't have enough precipitation in the winter as well, so just I got some hybrid daylilies here. This one, look at this. It's barely flowered this year. Grew a lot smaller, not as tall as what it was. Didn't fill out at all. Same with this one here. This is another perennial daylily. This one here, that's a hybrid. These are perennials that usually come back really well. And this one here didn't come back worth shit. This year, flowers are smaller, the buds on it are smaller. Corabells, the corabells already, it's changed its color where it's almost like indicating that it's fall. And I've been watering this stuff. It's not like I'm not watering. I water tremendously I get right under the base of the plants and I water it. And again, like these hibiscus here, these perennial giant hibiscus. This one here would have been way spread out compared to what it was last year. There's barely any growth on it. This one here is barely growing. That one there. I don't know. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. As I say, this crabapple tree already, look at all the leaves on it. Maybe it's because we didn't get too much precip in the winter and we didn't have too much rain in the spring and the summer so far. It's been dry. Let me know. Alright, Resourceful Marcus signing off. See you again.